welcome back. Today we join a builder as he upgrades a tranquil forest sanctuary, crafting a secure shelter entirely by hand. A deep jungle ravine offers constant running water and natural isolation, but the damp environment requires careful material selection. He begins by foraging broadleaf vegetation from the stream banks. Gathering fresh greens ensures a steady food supply for his companion while he works. The heavy canopy above limits direct sunlight, making the constant humidity a primary factor in the build. He hauls dried timber to the site, establishing the foundation materials before the heavy construction begins. Before framing the main structure, the builder provides a fresh pile of forage. Maintaining a calm routine keeps the animal grounded amidst the noise of construction. In bushcraft, balancing energy output with the daily needs of the camp is a constant rhythm. The rabbit instinctively seeks the high, dry bamboo slats away from the wet forest floor. The primary building material is harvested bamboo, chosen for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. Transporting long poles through uneven, moss-covered terrain is physically taxing, requiring deliberate footing on the slick rocks. Bamboo's hollow, compartmentalized structure allows it to bear significant weight without warping under the jungle's high moisture. Moving the materials in bulk minimizes trips across the hazardous stream bed. The staging area is now set for the main assembly. The structural framing relies entirely on friction and precise geometry. Using a heavy bush knife, the builder sections the raw bamboo down to manageable lengths. He then switches to a hand axe, driving vertical supports directly into the platform's substructure. Hammering the green bamboo requires calculated force. Too much impact can split the fibrous grain, compromising the load-bearing integrity. By carving custom notches into the joints, the pieces lock together organically without the need for metal fasteners. This traditional joinery allows the entire frame to flex slightly with changing temperatures and settling ground. Slowly, the skeleton of the hutch rises above the water. A sturdy base is critical. Hours later, the framing is complete, and the focus shifts to enclosing the walls. The builder slots vertical bamboo strips tightly into the outer frame. Spacing the slats closely together blocks larger predators while still permitting cross-ventilation. Constant airflow is vital for preventing rot in this humid microclimate. The enclosure is now secure. With the final wall anchored, the builder settles the rabbit into its new elevated habitat. The raised floor keeps the animal insulated from the damp earth and protected from the running stream below. The work is finished, but the daily routine continues. Navigating back into the dense foliage, the builder begins scanning the undergrowth for local resources. He identifies a wild, spiky fruit thriving near the water's edge. Recognizing edible tropical flora requires a deep understanding of the local ecosystem, as many toxic varieties mimic safe food sources. He harvests the heavy fruit carefully, leaving the root system intact to ensure future growth. Returning to the shelter, the builder prepares the freshly gathered fruit on the bamboo decking. A sharp, well-maintained blade makes quick work of the tough, spiky outer rind, revealing the nutrient-dense flesh inside. Processing the food directly on site minimizes waste and keeps the camp efficient. He portions the fruit into manageable pieces, ensuring it is easy for the rabbit to consume. Sharing the harvest reinforces the bond between the craftsman and his companion. The quiet rhythm of the forest settles back in as the immediate work concludes. The builder takes a moment to rest on a newly constructed bamboo bridge, enjoying a portion of the harvest himself. Building in an isolated environment demands a massive caloric output, making these quiet meals a necessary recovery phase. The completed hutch stands resilient against the mossy rock face, blending seamlessly into the ravine's natural architecture. Everything gathered and built here serves a distinct purpose, utilizing the forest's own materials to create a secure, self-sustaining camp. In the end, structure, landscape, and daily routine operate as one system, a place that produces, protects, and sustains itself.